In this demonstration, we're going to look at how we can configure work folders. Think of work folders like internet accessible file shares. So the first thing we have to do is we have to configure a server with the role. So all I've done here is I've got my file server. All I'm going to do on the dashboard here is just click Add Roles and Features. That's then going to bring in Wizard, so we'll select Next. Then what we're going to do is we are going to add a role-based or feature-based installation and select Next. Then the destination server will be LonServe1, so Next again. Then what we need to do here is just come to our File and Storage Services, expand our File and iSCSI Services, and if we scroll down a bit here, what we're looking for is we're just looking for our work folders. So we'll select Work Folders. We'll add the features that are required as well. Select the Next button. It's not going to bother with any additional features, so select Next. And then finally what we'll do is we'll select Install. So this is going to go in and install the role. We'll just pause the presentation while it's installing the role and return back once the installation is complete. So now the installation is complete, we'll just click our Close button. So the next thing we need to do here is create our sync share. So all we're going to do here is we're going to go to File and Storage Services, come down to our work folders, and then what we'll do here is we'll come to Tasks. So on Tasks, all we'll do is we'll create a new sync share. We'll click Next. In the case of the server and path, yep, we're going for LonServe1. We are going to use this share that we created in an earlier demo. And then we'll select Next. And then in the case they use the folder structure, we'll just go with the default of user alias, which maintains compatibility with existing user folders, which use their aliases as their name. And we need to specify something for the sync share name. So what we'll do here is we'll call this work folders. I won't bother with the description, so we'll select Next. Just in the case of the sync access, what we need to do here is we need to give people permission, so we'll select our Add button. We're going to add domain users. So we'll select OK. We'll then select Next. Just in the case of the device policies, we can either encrypt the work folders or automatically lock the screen and require a password. We'll just leave the default and select Next. Have a quick read through. We're happy with all of this. Click Create. As you can see, it's now complete, so we'll select the Close button. And we've now created our sync folder. So the server's done. Next thing to do is to go to our client machine and configure our client machine. So here we are, logged in as administrator. I'll just go to my desktop and I'll just go to my File Explorer window. On my File Explorer here, we'll just go to C drive. All I'm going to do here is I'm just going to come down here and I'm just looking for my lab files folder. And in my lab files folder, mod 10, what I've got here is I've got this little workfolders.bat file. The purpose of this file here just allows me to add a registry entry that allows unsecured connection to work folders. Obviously out in the real world you wouldn't be doing this, you would want secure connections. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to double click this just to run through and allow it to put in that registry entry. So the next thing to do here is just launch up Control Panel. Then we need to come to System and Security. Then within System and Security we come to Work Folders. Then what we're going to do here is set up our work folders, and this brings us into Wizard. So what we'll do here is we'll just start filling out the table. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter a work folder URL instead, and I'm now going to specify my file server. Then we'll select Next. I'm not going to change the work folder location, so we'll select Next. Have a quick read through this. So as it says here, the organization can make the following changes to your PC, so we can encrypt work folders, require password sign to PC, and automatically lock your screen, erase all files. Yes, we're happy with that, we'll accept that, and then we'll just click on our button to set up work folders. So great, it started syncing. Let's select Close. And as we can see now, we've now got a work folders location. And what we can do within here is we can create documents, create files, and if I had a second machine, what I could do exactly the same thing on the second machine, point the work folders. That would then allow us to synchronize data between two PCs connected across an internet connection. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.